Ito na yata yung pinakabonggang turon na nasubukan ko so far at natikman ko yan dito sa Siargao.
I only eat turon without the sugar.
Well, dito, hindi lang basta sugar. Nababalot ng gatas, merong dulce de leche o kaya Belgian chocolate, and more. This is Isla Turon Deluxe, located 3.5 kilometers away mula doon sa sikat na Cloud9 surfing area sa Siargao, at makikita nyo rin sila sa Google Maps. Meron silang 15 different flavors ng turon at ang una kong tinikman ay itong Belgian chocolate. Ang galing kasi loaded siya with toppings and fillings but it's not painfully sweet. And then yung loob ng mga turon nila, hindi lang basta saging na sabay yung laman. Meron din siyang parang makapuno and langka. Pwede ka rin umorder ng turon na may kasamang gelato. This is in collaboration with Halika Ice Cream, which is another local brand. And girl, this vanilla gelato is so good. It has dark specks from actual vanilla bean and then meron siyang touch of freshness from what I think is parang lime zest. In fairness sa'yo, Halika Ice Cream, ang sarap ha. Pwede kang pumili ng kahit anong flavor ng turon na ipapares dito and I chose to have it with dulce de leche. Parang ang sarap din sanang subukan nung matcha, Bavarian, and other flavors. Yun nga lang, mag-isa lang ako ngayon. Wala yung mga dakilang taga-ubos ko, so hindi ako maka-order ng marami. Pero even with just the 2 flavors I tried, I really get the hype. It was quite messy, pero it was worth it.